Hello, my name is Party Twice, Mr. Beast Zimbabwe. We are broadcasting live from our Party Twice studios. We are broadcasting live from our Party Twice studios. Today, we've come with the issue. I come with the pictures of the most beautiful and curvy old woman. Yes, the most beautiful old woman, guys. Yes, and he was in Vietnam, and some people, some young, come and take some selfies with her. These are some of the pictures, man. These are some of the pictures. The most beautiful old woman on earth. This is the most beautiful boys. Guys, this is amazing, boys. This is amazing. This is amazing, boys. I'm talking to you. This is amazing, boys. The most. I never saw such an old, such an old granny, boys. The oldest, the most. This is. My name is Party Twice. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Party Twice signing out.